Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and today I'm going to share with you only my second TEMU haul. So if you haven't seen my first TEMU haul video, I'll link that up here and also down below for you to take a look at. Found some great pieces. I did have to make some returns. The return process went really great. Which is super important to me because if I get things that don't fit or I don't like or whatever the reason, I do like to return them. I don't want to be wasteful and just have a bunch of things that I'm not actually using. But so far, just on my first experience, it went really well. So we will see how this one goes. Okay, I just wanted to share with you a couple things real quick. So on my last TEMU haul, I picked up towels, and this time I tried to read the descriptions and the reviews better, and I tried again, but they're just not for me. They are affordable, but I think they're still like $8 to $10, and I can get ones that just feel nicer at Walmart. And then I wanted to show you, ladies, this purse. Actually, I think it's pretty cute. Like, I think I've seen this on Amazon too. That is the other thing, is some of these things like from TEMU and Shein, even the brand, the same one will be at Amazon. So some of the sellers or companies that sell, do sell on multiple sites, even on Etsy. So you can see a lot of the exact same things. Check around. So this is really cute. Actually, I like it. It doesn't feel bad. I mean, it's not real leather, so it's not that soft. It's definitely on trend for this year with the fringe, which I like, and the shade is really pretty. I will say it smells. So I gotta go put this out on my patio because it's stinky, but it's super cute. Okay, and I picked up a few accessories. So these are the first accessories that I've gotten from TEMU, or jewelry. So I got these little gold hoops, and they kind of have, I don't remember what kind of inlay it is, but I'll definitely write on the screen all of the, oh my gosh, there's a bird trying to get in my window. He was here before. This is the first time he's come back. All right, and these were interesting. So there's no back, and you just put it in, it kind of keeps hooking around. And so I think they would look like that. So I think that they would look like that on. And they're pretty small, so about, goes around my thumb. Twisty hoops. Not that I need any more jewelry or any more hoops especially, but I'm sure that they were like $1, and I just, I like to get new things. I'm a bit of a shopaholic. If you've been on my channel, look around, you'll see. Okay, so I got several dresses and I got a ton of shirts. So I'm gonna have to split this video up. So if you're interested to see the shirts, make sure you subscribe down below so that you'll be notified when I put that video up, because I got a ton of shirts and then I have a ton of dresses, and I'm already notorious for making too long of videos. So I'm gonna try to keep this short and just show you the dresses that I picked up and my thoughts on them. So if you're interested to see how that goes, then that's coming up now. All right, first up, I have this brown kind of paisley like print dress. Gives me a boho feel. That's kind of what I was going for. That is a style I like, and it's popular this year, so you can pick up some bohemian inspired dresses and tops. So this is nice because it does have like the stretchy material, a little bit of ruffling, which I like. Just a little bit of ruffles is nice. So it does have it along the neckline. I was finding this does flip out pretty easy, so maybe if you steam it in, it would stay, but after I put it, it's kind of staying pretty good. But if you were out in the wind, I could see it like blowing open and then looking weird. But anyway, really cute. It does have the elastic stretchy sleeve and plenty of room there. I do have bigger upper arms and it's totally comfortable. It's not like pinching or anything. I like that you can wear it off the shoulder as well. And there's no tags in it, so I don't have the information right now, but I will leave all the information that I think you'd want to know up on the screen for all of the items. So it does have this big, not smocked, you ladies told me, I think shirring, am I saying it right? Area here. So it's all fitted and scrunchy, you know, elasticy here. So it kind of gives like that drop waist effect, but for me, I don't like that because it kind of makes like this little roll area for me. So I'm not a fan of that. I believe also this dress is a little too big on me. The top feels a little big, so I would size down, but I love the length. It goes to my ankles. I am 5'8" for reference. And I am wearing some of my favorite dream pair of shoes from Amazon, which I'll also link below. If you don't have a pair of nude or neutral colored sandals, these wedges are super comfortable. I think the heel is 2.5 inch, which is totally walkable. And I mean, okay, and next up is this white floral white with pink florals on it, and it looks super sweet. I actually really like the style. The filling is polyester-ish, but not like super bad, but it's not like nice either. So I would say middle of the road. It doesn't bug me, but it's not like luxurious feeling. I do like the arm length because I do have larger upper arms, and you can cover that, or you can wear off the shoulder because this is all stretchy. And it also has like kind of that sound. I don't know. Do you know what I'm talking about? But there's no stretch, so the size is what it is. It does have a zipper, so a pretty long zipper, so you can get all the way into it, and then it's pretty fitted. The top you can wear a little more open or closed like I did if you want a more conservative look. The strings do move to kind of ruche it up a little bit more, a little bit less, but you could certainly wear a regular bra with this if you wear it up like this. And it does have a slit. It is about a midi length, and I would wear a slip, so I would get a short slip to wear out because it is very thin. But the style is super cute, so I'm gonna keep my eye out for this style in other fabrics and other areas as well. So a cute second dress. All right, and this one will go really quick because it's the exact same as the last one, just a different print. It actually does feel a little bit bigger too, so I wonder if they're different sizes. I'll have that info on the screen. But yeah, so all the same, exact same everything, just a different color on this one. All right, and next up is this beautiful red dress. I'm loving this tone, and I am on the lookout for some red dresses in different shades of red. I'm shade picky. Like, I like all the colors, but the undertone of them, whether they're a little more cool or neutral or warm, matters to me. So I would say this is like a neutral red. And this is similar to some styles that I have from Amazon, so I love it. I love this cut and fit on me. It's just so easy to wear. I feel it looks so feminine, so forgiving, like you don't have to suck anything in or wear shapewear or anything like that. So the straps are adjustable. I actually love a V-neck. I think that is slimming, especially if you have a bigger bust or broader shoulders. I kind of like that for that area. It does have the lace here that you can see through, but it's not that bad. And it seems that that's popular. A lot of dresses have that. It is thinner. I would wear a slip. It does have a slit, but it's lower. It's not too high. And I just like the amount of material, and it does have the shirring in the back, so it is fitted to you. What else? No pockets, and the material is fine. It doesn't feel like the cotton ones from Amazon, which I have some of those. It is a little different, but it's not bad. It doesn't feel polyester-y, but it also doesn't feel cottony. If that makes sense. But I love the tone and the fit style. So a cute one here. And this one, in comparison to the last two, those ones, are polyester feeling. I've just had some really bad polyester, so that's why maybe I'm not super picky polyester person. You know, I'm on the line on those because of how they feel, but the styles were really cute and the prints were really cute. So we'll see on those. I mean, the thing is these are so affordable that it does give you some choices, some other options. And something that I like to do is get something less expensive and see if I like that style, you know? So like those dresses, for instance, if I find that I'm wearing them and I enjoy wearing them out, then I will look for one in silk or, you know, a higher end one, but it kind of lets you dabble into different styles at, you know, a more affordable price. So anyway, this red one is a nice red if you're looking for a red dress. All right, and next up, oh, real quick on the red one, I wanted to mention the bottom half had kind of like a pleated look. It wasn't like pleating like I'm used to, but I think they were trying to go for that. And none of the dresses are steamed. I just took them out. So if we like any of them, we can only go up from here in styling them with, you know, cute shoes and bags and belts and scarves and all kinds of things. So, and steaming them. So, okay, so next up is this, I would say this is a classic. So I would wear this just around the house on the weekend, like, you know, if we're barbecuing or hanging out in the backyard, because it's super comfortable. So it does have the shirring. My sewing friends, let me know if I'm saying that right. The shirring top all the way around. So it's all like fitted on the top, the stretchy stuff. And I do like that it has the straight top, so you don't have to worry about like exposing if you're bending over or whatnot. The straps I felt were a little tight. I have them all the way down to be at this length. So, I mean, you could work to pull it down a little bit more, but anyway, that's an issue. So if you're even larger busted than I am, and I'm 36D, that could be an issue. I mean, I guess there's more room at the bottom, but anyway, the feel is nice. It just feels like a normal dress. It is see-through, so you would want to wear a slip, and I feel most are, you know, ladies. I get stuff from Saks and Abercrombie, and I still have to wear a slip with them. So that is just a thing. I don't understand like why that's so common, but it is. So get some slips. I have a few. I'll link some down below that I've picked up from Amazon, and I usually just pop them on because I just think it would be terrible to be out and about and you can like totally see through your dress, you know, once you're in the sun. So just pop on a slip. They feel nice. They don't add extra heat, and then it just looks, you know, classier. It looks nicer. So no slits on this. It does have the adjustable spaghetti straps, stretchy top, and just a classic comfortable color. So no complaints. This is just a great everyday dress. You guys, this bird, it came and visited me before, and now it's back. Excuse my recording mess over there. That's where I record, by the window. And so I have my coffee and my magnifying glass so I can see tags and a phone charger. All right, and next up is this lovely purple kind of boho inspired dress. It feels great. It doesn't have any slits. It's see-through. It's see-through, so you'd want to wear a slip. It's not as see-through as, you know, the two super polyester-y white ones. And yeah, this would be just a great lounging dress. It feels soft. It covers everything, you know, so you don't have to, you know, like if you like to wear dresses to run errands, you know, go to the grocery store, run your kids around, and you don't want things spilling out and things showing, then I would say this is good. The straps on this one were like really loose, so I'm not sure. It might be for a larger busted person, or so completely opposite than the black and white one. So that one, the whole top felt like small, and this one, but that had stretch, so anyone could wear it. This one feels like it could accommodate a much larger bust, but you can certainly, you know, just, you know, close them all the way up to this end, which is what I have. I had to put them all the way to the, smallest for me. And then so you could wear it lower, a little more relaxed. It has just the bit of elastic right there, so you could just kind of have it off your bust, or wear a belt would be really cute. So a lot of different options, and this is a really pretty shade and a nice pattern as well. So good TEMU dress haul. All right, ladies, that was my second TEMU haul full of dresses, and really all of them were good. None of them were just atrocious where I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe they're selling this. I would say the two kind of really, I thought they were really cute, really sweet looking. The material was the only problem with those, but the patterns were really cute, and it did have some features like the zipper in the back and the adjustable bust area that were really nice, and that you could wear them on and off the shoulder. So those were cute options. I think my favorite was the red one. I could just see me totally wearing that. In fact, I might wear it tomorrow. So some great finds and some great prices. So let me know what was your favorite. And if you love dresses, check out this video. If you love TEMU, check out my last TEMU haul, and I'll list some videos down below that you might be interested in as well. So I thank you so much for stopping in. It was fun trying these on. Like I said, I'm a bit of a shopaholic, so you know, there's always something new coming around, and I love sharing it with you ladies, and I love your comments, and you know, we're like hanging out, friends, chit-chatting, and I love that. So I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope that you have a great day. See you soon.